Hi everyone, so today I'm unboxing this Tommee tippee Express and Go kit, which has got electric pump. So this is the box that it looks like this, and it has got, as you can see, one breast pump, which is the electric version, one microwave steam breast pump sterilizer, 6 breast pads, 20 breast milk pouches, one pouch storage case, 2 pouch bottles with slow flow teats and 2 medium flow teats. So I've just ordered it from Asda because they had this baby event going on, so the price was greatly reduced to £50. Otherwise I think the kit is for retails for £80. So I've already unboxed the stuff from inside the products because I wanted to see if it is absolutely fine. So this is the storage box, which can at least we can keep at least 12 of the pouches and freeze it. And these are the, you can say, 20 breast milk pouches. And then this is the sterilizer, microwave one, steam sterilizer, and then 2 bottles, from 2 pouch bottles, and then 150 ml Tommee tippee bottle, breast pads, 2 teats, and this is all, which is the electric breast pump content. So this is what it looks like, and it has got a manual. So this is all, this is all the stuff which is included in this Express and Go kit, electric one. So I'm really excited to use it. So when I start using it, I'll post another video which will be like a review on it. So that's all, guys. Take care.